Good afternoon, Black Sheep meteorologist John J.T. Lamb. It is just coming up on 3 o'clock here on a Monday afternoon, and we are going live for a quick update on our ice storm potential for overnight. Taking a look at our radar right now, not a lot going on, just some light showers across southwest Minnesota. But that area in purple that you see there, and that keeps expanding off towards the southeast there, towards Oshkosh, that is all winter weather advisory for ice potential tonight. The dark gray to the north and overlapping into some of the darker purple counties, that is a dense fog advisory where visibilities could drop below a quarter mile. But it's the ice that we're worried about tonight. As you take a look at our visible satellite loop, you can see that there's quite a bit of moisture flowing up over the Midwest, and that's going to be where our rain comes from. Taking a look at that, you see a developing low pressure system in the infrared imagery. It's a little easier to see across the Nebraska area. And that's going to move up and over our area, and it's also going to set up a cold front that's going to be try to develop here across the upper Midwest. And that'll be right along that US 12 corridor from Willmar through the Twin Cities here and over towards Eau Claire. St. Cloud, you will likely miss out on the worst of the freezing rain. You'll probably see about a tenth of an inch. Here in the cities, we could see as much of a quarter inch if a heavier band does develop. And that is reflected in our 72-hour forecast. You see the band of green there across central Wisconsin. That is a quarter inch. And that does extend back into far east central Minnesota, including like the Woodbury area right around Hudson. I would not be surprised to see that get expanded a bit west based on how everything is currently setting up. And there is our low pressure system and our trough that is extending up north through Minnesota, that low pressure center down around the Red Oak, Iowa area, the warm front across the Midwest going off towards Appalachia. And taking a look as we move in this, there's a cold front farther north. It runs right along the North Shore back towards Fargo, but that front never quite gets here. And that is going to keep us out of the coldest Arctic air that's to the north. And so we will see temperatures rebound tomorrow. After the ice overnight, we'll see temperatures in the mid-30s in the afternoon, so that will help radically improve our road conditions. So right now, as it stands, we have a winter weather advisory from 9 p.m. tonight until noon tomorrow. And then there could be a localized ice storm warning that gets issued by the National Weather Service. And that would most likely be right along the US 12 corridor. It will depend on exactly where the heaviest rain band sets up. But that is your look at our ice storm potential for Monday, January 5th. I am meteorologist John J.T. Lamb at Black Sheep Weather. Thank you for watching.